In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add moving box in Dorik. By the end, you'll know exactly how to make a box or any element animate as visitors scroll, so your page feels more dynamic and engaging. Start by opening the Dorik login page and sign into your account. If you use a single sign-on option like Google, choose that and confirm the account you want. Once you're in your dashboard, locate the site you want to work on and click Edit Site to open the builder. Inside the editor, click the element or block you want to move or animate. For this demo, you can select any box, container, or content block you want to draw attention to. Selecting the element will open the settings panel on the side. In the side panel, switch to the Advanced tab. This is where Dorik keeps the more powerful controls for behavior and effects. Look for the section called Animation on Scroll and open it. This feature tells the element to animate when it enters the viewport as someone scrolls down your page. Next, pick the animation you want. If your goal is a moving box effect, consider options like slide in from left, right, up, or down. These create a clean motion path that feels intentional without overwhelming the design. You can also try fades or zooms if you want a subtler feel, but sliding is great for guiding the eye to key content. After choosing the animation, fine-tune the behavior with the available controls. Duration sets how long the motion takes. A shorter duration feels snappy, while a longer one feels more cinematic. Delay determines how long the element waits before starting the animation after it appears on screen. Use delay to stagger multiple elements for a cascading effect. Many setups also let you tweak things like easing, which affects how the movement accelerates and decelerates, and sometimes offset, which controls when the animation triggers relative to the viewport. Small adjustments here can make the motion feel polished rather than distracting. As you tweak, keep your content's purpose in mind. Animation should support your message, not compete with it. Aim for durations that feel natural, often around half a second, and avoid stacking too many moving elements in the same area. Consistency across your page helps maintain a professional look. That's it. You logged in, opened your site, selected the element, went into Advanced, turned on Animation on Scroll, chose a movement style, and adjusted the timing to match your design. With these settings, your box will animate smoothly as visitors scroll, bringing your layout to life.